faux leather earrings. I am using my mini maker, and I am using the dies from Maker's Movement, and this is called Mandorla die set. It has 4 pieces. We're just using the 2 smaller pieces here that I've already removed. And we're going to do a layered earring in silver and in gold. So to begin, I'm going to take the larger die piece and put it on my faux leather that I've already cut down. This is also from Maker's Movement. And then I have my sandwich, which is my A plate, metal plate, faux leather die, and then the top B plate. And I am just going to send this through the mini maker. You could also use the larger die machine, but these earrings are small, so we're just going to send it through the mini maker. Okay, and it only takes one time through to cut. So there's our first piece, and then I am going to put the gold in a smaller piece on top, just like that. And again, same sandwich, sending it through the mini maker here. Nice thing about the mini maker is it has suction feet, so it'll attach itself to your surface and hold in place while you're working with it. And so here is my gold piece. Take the die off of here and set all of this aside. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to make a hole in these 2 pieces so that they line up. And what I'm going to use is a small hole punch, and I'm just going to put that in my hole punch and kind of decide. And what this is doing is actually putting an indent because it's too thick to cut through both pieces. So I'm going to remove that, and now I'm going to put each piece back in and line it up on my marking. Okay, so there's my first one. And then here is my second one. I'm just going to line it up on that and punch through. So to finish off your earrings, after you have punched the holes, and if for some reason the hole doesn't work all the way through, you can, use a pair of scissors to cut. Now the larger or the back piece, the perfection of the hole doesn't matter because the front one is going to sit right on top of it. So the one you want to pay most attention to is your top piece. Okay, and then you need an ear wire, 2 jump rings, one little one, one large, and then 2 pliers. So what we're going to do is take the large jump ring, and you're wondering what size to do. You can lay it down on your piece and just make sure that it goes from the hole to the outside. All right, so you can see this jump wire, this jump ring wouldn't work because it can't reach across the whole piece of the earring. Hopefully that makes sense, but you'll see here in a minute what I'm talking about. All right, so to open up this piece, we're going to put it in with the sliced opening at the top, and I am going to take the 2 pliers and twist them away from each other. So you're going to twist, not pull, okay? So we're going to twist like that, and then we're going to put the large piece on first. All right, then your small piece, and then your small jump ring. All right, so we have all those lined up, and now it's time to close that wire. And with both pliers, I'm just going to twist it back into place. Give it a little jiggle, because when you work with wire, when you move it, it becomes hard. So it's less pliable when you give it a little bit of movement. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the small wire, or the small jump ring. I am going to open it up by twisting it open, and then I'm just going to put my ear wire on that, and then twist it closed and just give it a jiggle so that it lines up like so. So there is our earring, and here is the other one. It looks like, I think, yeah, this is how it should be. This is what I did before, and this one, the ear wire is wrong, and so what I need to do is twist that so that it is kind of perpendicular. Let me think about this for a second. All right, I want to twist this, and I may have gotten it backwards, but that's okay. I can reseat it here. All right, so I am just going to open this one up and put that ear wire on again. All right, now this was just an ear wire that wasn't bent the right direction. Okay, so let me just set that aside and I'll grab and explain to you what happened here. So this is the correct ear wire, and the opening here is lined up with the wire, okay? And the one that wasn't working correctly, if I hold that one in the same manner, can you see how the loop is going the wrong direction? So I can fix that by just bending it in place, but I wanted to show you the difference so that you knew what I was talking about. And now I'm going to grab my small wire, or jump ring. I keep calling it a wire. It's a jump ring. And put the ear wire on correctly. And now I'm going to twist those back together and give them a good wiggle. Now, if they do separate a little bit, you can push them back together so that they meet up. You can double check them with your pliers to make sure everything's in place. But there we go. Now we have it correct. So there we go. Two earrings that match in silver and in gold. So when you don't know which color you want to wear, you've got a pair of earrings that goes with both. So there you go. And they're super lightweight and they reflect. So I hope you enjoyed this.